6 years. 6 years this problem has been affecting Honda's flagship motorcycle. Honda has finally gotten around to issuing a recall to fix this problem. Coming up. If you have a 2018 to 2021 Goldwing GL1800 from Honda, you need to pay attention to this video. A few years ago, there started to be some online grumblings about people who had sudden, significant, catastrophic engine failures on their Goldwings. They were riding along and then all of a sudden the engine just quit and seized. When they took it to Honda, their bike was either written off or they were hit with a bill for over $4,000 to rebuild the engine. What was happening? Something called a UBS bolt at the very front of the primary drive of the engine was failing. And because this bolt failed, all kinds of metal went through and trashed gears and did significant damage. And with all the gears and metal in there jammed up, it would seize the engine and render the bike unrideable. And worse, it could lock up your rear wheel while you're riding. It's a serious safety issue because you could crash because of this bolt failing. More and more of these reports started showing up, and we tracked them on the GoldwingDocs forum. You can see there's actually a thread going back several years with all kinds of detailed pictures from people who were having this problem and reporting it and saying, here's what the dealer told me, here's what they were telling me had to be done to fix it. People started not buying the motorcycles because of this problem. People started buying extended warranties because they expected this problem to happen. Honda issued a service bulletin internally saying that the problem was because of a heat treatment issue with the bolts in question. The bolts weren't strong enough, and as a result they were fracturing. And once the bolt fractures and pieces of it go into the gear train, it just wreaks havoc. The gears shatter and you get metal everywhere. As you can see in these pictures here, the bolt is actually sheared off or broken, and then once it comes off, the gears that are in there just break, and now you have metal going every which way in the engine until something jams something else and the engine seizes. There was actually talk amongst owners online about starting a class action against Honda because of these failures, because there's been so many of them, and a few of them were taken care of either under warranty or bikes that were out of warranty. Honda kind of fixed it with a goodwill warranty, not really a warranty, but they picked up some or all, in a couple cases, all of the cost of the failure. But several owners had this happen, ended up paying $4,000 or more to have it fixed on their 4-year-old or 3-year-old motorcycle. That's unacceptable. Well, Honda has finally admitted to the problem. They've issued this recall you can see here. The recall instructs any dealers that have a 2018 through 2021 Goldwing in stock, used or new, that they must not sell it. There's a stop sell order, and there is also an associated recall to remove that failing bolt, a UBS bolt, and replace it with a properly heat-treated, strengthened bolt so that this doesn't keep happening. Whether those parts are going to be available anytime soon, we don't know, and the recall letters to the end user, the owners of the bikes, have not yet gone out. So this is very, very early. This is just an internal notice that has gone to the dealers. Of course, it's immediately leaked out to the public like we're doing right here now. So if you have a 2018 through 2021 bike, definitely call your dealer, get on the waiting list to get your bike in, get this bolt proactively fixed, because there is no warning when this happens. Basically, you're riding along, everything's great, and then bam, it just seizes and your wheel locks, and now your bike is out of service, and hopefully you don't crash. Like I said, there is an extensive topic, one of the largest topics on the forum, talking all about this. So if you want all the latest details, I'll put a link to that actually up here as well as in the description below. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Hey, and like and subscribe to the channel. You get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.